Okay, here's a problem that came across my desk. What we have here is a mixed number, also known as a mixed fraction. I prefer the name mixed number. It's a number that has two general parts to it, a whole number and a fraction. The question here is how to convert this to a so-called improper fraction, or we could just say convert it to a fraction. And one way to do that, not the only way, but one way, is sometimes called around the world, where I'm going to take the denominator and multiply that times the whole number, and then to the answer I get there, I'm going to add the numerator. That will give me my new numerator, and the denominator stays the same. So just to show my work here, we're going to start with 15 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15. Carry the 1. 1 times 3 is 3, and 1 is 45. Okay, or if you think about the clock, right, you do 15 minutes, 15 minutes, and 15 minutes, it makes 45 minutes. So then we're going to add the numerator here, the 11, with a 6 and a 5, and that gives me 56. So 56 is going to be the numerator of my answer, and the denominator stays the same. The denominator stays the same. Now, with every fraction, we do have to reduce if possible. After any fraction operation that we do, we have to reduce if possible. Well, there are some exceptions to that, but just as a general rule, we always want to put our fractions in simplest form unless we're told otherwise. So let's see, 56. Do these have any common factors? This just has a 3 and a 5. This does not have a 3 or a 5. So this one does not reduce. So that is going to be my final answer right there. So 3 and 11/15 is 56 fifteenths. Another way to think about this is in terms of pizza. If I had a bunch of big pizzas that I cut into 15 slices each, I had three whole pizzas that had not been cut up yet, and the fourth pizza had been cut up and 4 slices had already been eaten, so there were 11 slices left out of that pizza. Well, if I took my 3 whole pizzas and cut them into 15 slices each, the total number of slices that I would have would be 56 if each slice is a 15th. And we don't tend to cut pizzas that way, but you could. And this is actually kind of a practical thing to do if you're planning a big party with a lot of people and you're kind of counting how many slices of pizza you want each person to be able to have, and then you can plan accordingly how many pizzas you'll buy. If you have a math problem that you would like me to demonstrate, put it in the comments and I will. Hope that helps.